All right, let's get a check of the forecast now with Audrey. We've got a heat wave, another one potentially on our hands here.
Well, for some areas, for sure, Natasha, like LaGuardia and Newark, both today was their day 2 of a heat wave, and they're expected to hit 90 again tomorrow, so they will mark heat waves. Here in Central Park, we only made it to 89 degrees, so we will start off tomorrow with 90, and should we get 3 days in a row of 90 degrees or better, that will mark our 3rd heat wave for so far this year. Right now, we're at 83 in the park. It's 82 in Islip, 77 over towards East Hampton. 10 degrees milder, though, in Bridgeport, where it's 87, 88 in Poughkeepsie, and 87 over towards Sussex, New Jersey. The entire Northeast is seeing the same temperature range as us here in the tri-state area. We're at 90 in Hartford, 89 in Albany. It's even hot in Syracuse, where it's 91. To our south, we have Philly at 86, and it's 79 in Atlantic City. We're dry on the radar. We'll stay that way for the rest of tonight as well as into Tuesday. We're under the influence of high pressure here, and on the back side of it, we've had a nice south to southwest wind flow, which has helped to bump up our temperatures to above normal readings for this time of year. We're also watching a cold front that's dropping out of Canada right now. This one's going to sweep across the Midwest and head into our region by Wednesday, and that's going to help spark off some showers and the possibility of thunderstorms too by then. So here it all plays out in our future cast. Tonight we're going mostly clear across the region. We're still under the influence of high pressure. Same case for Tuesday. We'll have a couple of clouds here and there. We're expecting another warm day, and it will feel a touch more humid as we go into Tuesday. As the front approaches us from the west here, we're going to build up our humidity, so Wednesday it starts to feel more uncomfortable across the area, as well as Thursday. We'll start out with a mix of sun and clouds on Wednesday. Here comes the front. I think after about 10 or 11 o'clock, we'll see a couple of pop-up showers, but a line is going to form here from the west and impact our region, let's say after about 2 o'clock and right into the afternoon commute too. So we're expecting showers and thunderstorms right around 5 o'clock into the city. The line kind of fizzles out as it works its way eastward, but the front still gets hung up across our region, so that's going to help spark off showers and maybe even an isolated thunderstorm on Thursday. Behind the front, though, we're going to clear things out just in time for the upcoming weekend. All right, let's talk about the tropics, because a lot of people in the weather world are. The National Hurricane Center is watching a couple of disturbances sitting out in the Atlantic here. None of these are really have a potential for developing into a tropical storm, but off the African coast, we have another named storm coming across here. This is Tropical Storm Erin, which developed this morning. It is expected to actually increase in intensity. Right now, its winds are at about 45 miles per hour. It's located way out near the Cabo Verde Islands. However, it's moving west at about 21 miles per hour, expected to gain hurricane status by Friday and then major hurricane status by Saturday as a Category 3, and it will work its way north of the Leeward Islands here, but all eyes, of course, will be on the east coast here of the U.S. Our surf is expected to get a little more intense as we go into the end of the week, and we'll watch to see how it plays out after that to see where the track of the storm will actually be. In the meantime, it's quiet tonight, mostly clear with low temperatures in the 60s. Tomorrow, we're rising up to 90 or greater in cross-interior New Jersey. Great beach day tomorrow. Go out and enjoy it, and we're looking for good weather as we go into the weekend too. We'll dry out after the showers and storms on Wednesday and Thursday, and temperatures will be near 90 for Saturday and Sunday. Natasha?
All right, Audrey, thank you so much. Well, the first day of school is just around the corner for many families.